Using box cake mix to make my brother's marble wedding cake. How are they gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Chocolate batter. Use cooled coffee instead of water. Use melted butter instead of oil. 1 extra egg. Secret ingredient. 2 spoonfuls mayo. Yes, I'm serious. Mix for exactly 2 minutes. All done. Vanilla batter. Milk instead of water. Melted butter instead of oil. 1 extra egg. Mix for exactly 2 minutes. Chocolate fudge ripple. 2 cups dark chocolate chips. 1 stick butter. 1/2 cup heavy cream. Microwave for 1.5 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds. Batter's ready to go. These are optional, but did make it easier. 3 6-inch pans and 3 8-inch pans. Spray the sides with Pam. 8-inch pans. 1.5 cups each of chocolate and vanilla. About 1/4 cup fudge. 6-inch pans. 3/4 cups each. Chocolate and vanilla. About 1/8 cup fudge. Marble all of the batters together. Heat oven to 350. 6-inch cakes bake about 30 minutes. 8-inch cakes bake about 35 minutes. Use toothpick method to check. Should be mostly clean with a few crumbs. Part 3 tomorrow, assembling the wedding cake.